Ever heard of Zeneara? It's like yoga for your ears, but better. Zeneara supports the nerve environment of your ears. Science meets serenity. Imagine your ears sipping a calming herbal tea. That's Zeneara magic. Tinnitus? Hearing issues? Zeneara says, "Shh, let me handle this." Packed with unique ingredients, Zeneara is the ear's secret weapon. Think of Zeneara as noise-canceling headphones for your inner ear nerves. Silence isn't golden, it's Zeneara-powered. Say goodbye to unwanted ringing. Your ears deserve a spa day. Zeneara delivers relaxation, minus the cucumbers. All ears on Zeneara. It's like a personal sound engineer for your health. Zeneara works for everyone. Yes, even your uncle who loves loud karaoke. Stop suffering in silence. Zeneara makes silence blissful, not bothersome. Zeneara, because your ears deserve a break from life's noisy playlist.